Okay guys, today I will show you that how your pen drive capacity is more, but in computer it's showing less. The problem occurs many of the pen drive, whether it becomes bad or some issue with it. So let's fix this problem, okay? As you can see that just system volume information. You can simply fix in Windows by just going to the here Windows icon, clicking on it, search partition. What we need to do is just to change the partition of it. It, it have this amount of data unallocated for this pen drive, and this much we have, which is allocated by default. And we can see that, see, the total capacity is 7.46 GB. We have actually 8 GB of pen drive, but here 3 GB is unallocated. That's why we are getting this amount of data showing here on this screen in this PC. So let's allocate the space for it. Click on this new simple volume, click on next. And this is the total amount of space left that we want to allocate to the already allocated memory. And this we can, let's click on next. And here the drive letter, we can select anyone, whatever you like. Okay, let's select S. Next, the file system format, let it be in FAT. Volume you can change to whatever you like. Let's suppose pen drive. Should be okay. Then click on the next, and here you can see that perform a quick format has already been clicked. Okay, let's click here in pop-up game asking if you want to click. Okay, click finish. Now you see that, but one problem is that it has been allocated in two formats. See, but what we want is to allocate in a single. What we will do, delete this and delete this too. Now here everything is unallocated. Now simply click on new simple volume, click on next. This is the amount of space that we can allocate to this memory of the pen drive. Here we got drive letter as mentioned early step. Just click next, finish, that's it. Now see, we got it. Here now it will show, I guess. Okay, format the disk. Start. Okay button. It will format quickly. Something issue? No. Okay, so see, we got our memory, all of it here. 7.42 GB free of 7.45 GB. That's it. Thank you.